Hello and welcome back to Pinnavex. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp QR code. This QR code allows users to instantly start a chat with you on WhatsApp just by scanning the code. It's perfect for customer support, sales inquiries, or simply making it easy for people to reach out. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing the WhatsApp QR code generator. First, head over to pinnavex.com. On the homepage, click on Create QR Code, and this will bring you to the QR code creation page. From there, select the WhatsApp QR code option. Add your phone number and prefilled message. Next, customize your QR code to your taste. Finally, test the QR code and download it at no cost. Once you're satisfied with the QR code you created, now you want to test it by scrolling down to the inbuilt QR code reader. If your QR code is in good shape, you should see something like QR code seems to be readable. But don't stop there. Scan with your phone, double check if everything worked perfectly before using it in any production. Then it's time to download it as a guest. No sign up is required. However, if you'd like to save your QR code for future edits or track the performance of your links, I recommend creating a free Pinnavex account. Now, let's walk through the sign-up process to create and save your QR code for future edits or tracking purposes. Click on the Sign Up button. This will take you to the registration page where you'll need to enter your name, email address, and create a secure password. Complete the CAPTCHA verification to confirm you're human. You can also sign up using your Facebook or Google account with just few steps. Click Register. Once done, an activation link will be sent to the email address you provided. Go to your email inbox, click the link in the email to verify your account and activate it. Now this is our dashboard, where you can manage all your QR codes and track your link performance. First, we won't click on Generate QR Code. This will take you to a section with different QR code types. Here, you want to select WhatsApp QR code option. Step 2. Entering your phone number. Once you've selected the WhatsApp QR code option, the first thing you'll need to do is enter your phone number. Make sure to include the country code before your phone number so the QR code directs messages to the right number. Remember, the country code is essential to ensure that the QR code connects to the correct international number. Step 3. Adding a prefilled message. Next, you'll see the prefilled message box. This allows you to prefill a message that will automatically appear in the chat when someone scans your QR code. For example, you could add, "Hello, I'm interested in learning more about your services." This way, when someone scans the QR code, they will instantly be taken to your WhatsApp chat with the prefilled message ready to send. You can customize this message to fit your business, product, or service, anything that makes it easier for the user to reach out. Step 4. Styling your QR code. Now, let's move on to styling your WhatsApp QR code. Under the Style section, you'll find several design options. Choose a style that suits your brand or the tone you want to set for the QR code. You'll see the changes reflected immediately in the preview, so you can decide which style looks best. Step 5. Customizing the eyes. You can also customize the eyes, the 3 square shapes in the corners of the QR code. These are essential for scanning, but you can change their appearance to match your brand. You'll find options for both the inner and outer eyes of the QR code. Pick the style that fits best with your design. Step 6. Adding color. Want to add some color to your QR code? Under the Colors section, you can adjust both the foreground and background colors. For a more branded look, we suggest using colors that match your company logo or any marketing materials you have. If your business colors are green and white, for example, you could use those colors to create a cohesive design. Play around with different color combinations until you find one that fits your style. Step 7. Adding a frame and text. To make your QR code stand out even more, you can add a frame around it. There are different frame styles to choose from, and you can also add custom text to the frame. For instance, you could add a message like, "Scan to chat with us on WhatsApp." This helps guide users on what the QR code does and encourages them to interact with it. You can customize the font, size, and color of the frame text to make it more engaging. Step 8. Adding your logo. To further personalize your QR code, you can add your brand logo in the center. Upload your logo and use the logo size tool to adjust it to the perfect size and placement. This is a great way to keep your brand front and center while making the QR code functional and professional. Step 9. Adding a background image. You can also upload a background image to your QR code to give it a more dynamic look. Whether it's your brand's colors, a product image, or anything else related to your business, a background image can really make your QR code stand out. Be mindful of the opacity of the image. If it's too bold, it could make the QR code hard to scan. Use the background transparency tool to adjust the opacity and make sure your code is still readable. Step 10. Testing the QR code. Before you finalize everything, it's important to test your QR code to make sure it works. Scroll down to the QR code reader tool in the interface. It will confirm whether your QR code is scannable. You should also scan the QR code with your phone to ensure it directs you to WhatsApp with the correct phone number and the pre-filled message ready to send. Lastly, create and downloading your QR code. Once you're happy with your QR code design, it's time to download it. You can choose from several formats: PNG, JPG, or other types. And that's it. You've successfully created a WhatsApp QR code. Now, users can scan your code and instantly start a conversation with you on WhatsApp with their message already pre-filled. It's a great way to make communication easier and faster for both you and your customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're always updated on new features that will help your business grow. Visit pinnavex.com today and start creating your custom QR codes.